Autodesk Model Analytics Essentials is the trusted model health solution for AECO teams, delivering results every time a model is synced. Built for Revit models and delivered through Forma design collaboration, it provides multi-level insights that help improve model health, reduce downtime, and unlock more value from BIM data. With Autodesk Model Analytics Essentials, teams gain near real-time visibility into Revit model health without ever needing to open Revit. Performance insights are captured automatically at every user sync, surfacing what's been added, removed, or modified, giving teams visibility into how models evolve, allowing for better collaboration and accountability. Autodesk Model Analytics Essentials surfaces key indicators like warnings, sync behavior, file growth, and risks, rolling them into simple, easy-to-read health scores. Project teams can quickly understand model status at a glance and take action before performance is impacted. Native automated dashboards in Forma design collaboration are updated, replacing manual reporting and duplicate tools. Teams get immediate, actionable insights across models and projects, accessible to stakeholders beyond Revit users. Built-in model data management helps teams maintain consistent, approved standards by identifying trusted sources and flagging non-compliant families that can introduce downstream risk. Historical health snapshots and portfolio-level analytics reveal trends across time and across projects, enabling more informed, data-driven decisions and continuous improvement. Autodesk Model Analytics Essentials delivers more reliable insights where teams already work, supporting healthier models, smoother collaboration, and more predictable outcomes. Explore Autodesk Model Analytics Essentials, available with your subscription of Forma Design Collaboration.